Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a fall decorate with me. I am so excited to be filming today's video. I know I say that in all my videos, but I truly am excited because I love fall so much. Fall is my favorite time of the year, but this is the first time ever that I've decorated this early. And I will say that I think it has a little bit to do with the fact that I've had a cold and I've been stuck at home just looking around at my home decor and getting ideas and then watching a ton of YouTube, and so many of my friends have inspired me. So I'm gonna decorate early too. And I hope to give you some ideas this year for the fall season. But yeah, I'm going to show you some things that I got. I bought a few things a few weeks ago. I shared a haul on that, so I'll link that video below if you want to see that one. But I also got a few things from Belle's Outlet, so I figured I would show you that, and then we will start decorating. Alright, so before I get started, I wanted to show you how the living room looks currently, and there's not a whole lot of color going on right now, so the living room just looks sad and just gloomy. So I'm excited to be bringing in these fall colors to help brighten it up a bit and just make it look nice and cozy. Okay, so I am going to start with this shelf first because I feel like it's the focal point, and I really want it to be simple but yet fall. So I think I'm going to use these up here just because they are more the fall look, but they're still greenery, so it still matches with the rest of my home decor. I don't know why I haven't used these before because they're so pretty, but I am just going to kind of lay them up here and see, oh geez, if I can get them to stay. Like so.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
No, I haven't seen it.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Alright, the next thing I wanted to share with you are these pillow covers. I feel like these are great not only for fall but for year round. If I want to make my home decor a little bit more warm toned, I'll also be able to use these in my master bedroom when it's no longer fall, because I have kind of like a boho farmhouse theme kind of going in there, and I think these are really beautiful. These were $32.99 for a set of two. These are 20 by 20 pillow covers. Which is kind of pricey. I know that's kind of expensive. It is expensive, at least to me. $15 for a pillow cover. Like, it should have came with the pillow. But I will say, so far, I think the quality is great. I'll keep you updated on how they hold up with the dogs and the kids and stuff. But the zipper feels legit. You know how like sometimes you order pillow covers off Amazon and you go to zip it and it breaks? That happens to me all the time. But these feel really good. They're nice and thick. They don't smell funny, which is important to me. I smell everything. I don't know why. But I like these, and I think they'll be perfect to incorporate some of this like fall tone that I'm going for. So I'm going to throw these on the couch. I need like one more, but they don't sell just one. They need to start selling things in a pack of 3, because not everybody needs a pack of 4. People need packs of 3 sometimes. Yes, honey. Baby, it's probably not charged up. Why don't you go grab me your charger and I will fix it.
Jumping from cliffs so high.
I'm struggling. I hate putting pillow covers on. don't like it. Okay. How's that? What's up? Bada bing, bada boom. I love it. Okay, so now here's the thing. Which pillow should I get rid of? Because I got too many. What do you think? See, oops, sorry, though. I need one more. I need like a one for in the center. And then should I get rid of black? And just do this one, this one? Do you like my pillow covers? What do you got? What'd you grab? You're a child. Let me see. Spit it out. Oh, you better drop it. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of the dark ones because they're just a little too dark for fall. Excuse me. Beep, beep. Take this blanket. This. Here. You just toss it up there. You just toss it. You think I'm nuts? Huh? You think I'm nuts? Oh no, that looks horrible. I don't like it. Should I just leave it? No, that don't look good either. What do I do? I don't like that. And I'm kind of just liking it with no pillow. What do we think? No pillow? Oh, decision. This right here is a prime example of why they need to sell the pillows in a set of 3, not 4, or 2. Because people who have sectionals just need 3, 1 for each corner of the couch. Because if I had one more of these leather pillows, it would look so cute. So I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if I can find like a small, maybe like let me show you. Like a pillow cover to go over this one. And then I could have the dark gray and then have this. Should I use this? I don't know. All right, so moving on to the coffee table, I'm gonna keep it super simple because a lot of times I accidentally make the arrangements or just any of the decor on the coffee table too tall, which then means that the kids can't see the TV. They're constantly trying to move this tray. And I do like to keep all my decor in the tray. That way it's easy to move off the coffee table. By the way, the vase is from a thrift store. These stems are from Hobby Lobby, and I'll do my best to link those. The candlestick, I believe I got that one from Bell's Outlet. And this little stack of books is from Bell's Outlet for $7.99. What I really love about fall decor is that a lot of it can be used year-round. A lot of the orange tones you might not be able to, but the neutral items, you'd be surprised how many things they sell that's part of the fall decor that don't necessarily have to be for fall. Just like those stack of books. That was part of the fall decor at Bell's Outlet, and I feel like it doesn't look like fall at all. It could literally go with my decor all year, so I was excited to find that. And then right here above the couch, I decided to add a few more stems just to kind of make it flow with the rest of the living room. And I bought these, this little floral stem from Dollar Tree. They're actually really beautiful. If they're too orange for you, you can gently spray them with brown chalk paint and it will kind of warm them up a bit. But I'm just going to include some of these into the greenery that I have right here on the shelf above the couch. Alright, so this is right by the couch. I moved this white stand from the other side of the door next to the couch, and that was actually a recommendation by a subscriber, so thank you for pointing that out. I totally forgot that now that I switched my door to the opposite, like it swings the opposite way now, I was able to put the shelf over here next to the couch instead, and it looks a lot nicer. It just kind of flows better. So I have this here with a candle. This is a pumpkin apple or apple pumpkin candle. I got it from Walmart, and I just added some greenery, which I did end up moving later and just keeping it really simple with just the candle and the lamp. And then over here on the TV stand, I changed this up quite a bit. But, you know, sometimes with home decor you have to do that. You just gotta move it around until you like the way it looks. And if you're curious about the screensavers that I have on the TV right now, I do have a Roku TV, and on the TV you can type in like free fall screensavers, and it was a channel that I was able to download, and you can just click on it and it will just kind of filter through beautiful photos of whatever time of the year it is. They have spring, they have fireplaces, there's just so many different ones, and it's a great way to, you know, decorate without spending any money, and you just literally throw it up on your TV and it looks so cozy. Alright, so I actually like these color pumpkins a lot better than this like lime green one, so I'm going to save this for somewhere else. Alright, so now down the hallway I'm going to add this welcome fall sign. This was $16.97 at Walmart, so this is something new. I haven't seen it before, at least last year I didn't see it at Walmart, so I am going to be using that down here and just incorporating some fall colors down here at the end of the hallway. So while I finish decorating the end of the hallway, I did want to give you a quick update on my daughter's bedroom makeover. So I do plan on still filming that video, but unfortunately at the beginning of this week, I did end up catching a pretty nasty cold. I still haven't got my voice back completely, but that project was put on hold. So I will be working on it this weekend though, and hopefully I will be able to have that video up next week.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day.
Alright, so here is how the living room turned out. It looks so warm and cozy, inviting, and I am just so happy that I decided to go ahead and decorate for fall because this just lifted my spirits. I was kind of just feeling super down, especially after getting sick, but something about decorating and having these beautiful fall decor colors just really brightens my day and makes me feel at home. I don't know. I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 of my fall decorate with me. I will be filming the dining room and the kitchen in one video, and I'm excited to share that with you too. Thank you again for being here today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all. I swear, you just posed for the camera and you look so cute. You do. Do you just pose for the camera? That's not yours. No. Where's your toys? Where's your toys? Your teeth? Your lips stuck again?